Hey guys, Isaac Matthews here at Nichols Marine Grand Lake. Today I'm on board the all-new 2026 Chaparral GTS 1. This is Chaparral's Surf Edition. It is powered by a Mercury Cruiser 4.5 250 horsepower. This boat is equipped with Malibu Surf Gates, a ballast bag, here an extended plane on the deck. Back here is a multi-function seating lounge. Lift this up for a walkthrough. Under this seat is a 17-gallon cooler. Snap-in SeaDek all throughout the boat. Captain's chairs. Right here at the helm is your Simrad screen to show all your gauges and temps and things like that. Moving to the bow of the boat, you have storage space under both of these seats, and then your anchor locker under here. So if you want to see this boat in person, stop by our Grand Lake store or give me a call at 918-676-6868.